I'm really excited to show you guys the next product. It's the Cordless Cellular Shade. So right here behind me, I've got two different color fabrics. One that is light filtering, and the other is blackout material. And it basically, you can see the difference. There's no light coming through this white one, and the dark cocoa one, there's some light filtering through. If it was a white color one, you'd see actually more light coming through. It's just that a darker color will absorb more light. So in general, just kind of remember that when you're ordering your fabrics. Okay, I'm going to start with the light filtering one here. This one has some really cool features. You have the handles and the bottom, and you just pull it up and you bring it down. That's like a standard shade, okay? This is a standard shade here also. You just pull it up, and look how tight that is on top, and then just pull it down, okay? This particular shade, though, has a really special feature. It's called top down, bottom up. Let me show it to you. So the bottom actually comes down. It's really neat because you could have it, say here, you want a little extra light coming in and you still have privacy. Nobody on the other side can see me. So, or if you want to bring it down a little more here, you got it there. It's a great option, okay? So, let me pull this all the way up. Okay. So, one thing that I do want to mention, that this product is one of the best products for insulating your windows. There's a pocket on the side of it, and we're going to do a close-up right now and show you that, okay? So, first, let's show you the light filtering. Come over here and zoom in. So if you can see here, this creates this, it's a honeycomb shade, is that they call it, or a cellular shade. And this right here creates an air pocket. And that air pocket blocks the heat from passing through better than any other window cover, okay? And if you can see, as it goes up, how it folds. Okay. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you about this Cordless Cellular Shade is the stack, meaning like how much to stack up at the top. So if you see here, look how tight that is. It's very small. I mean, this is like almost like 5 feet tall, and we've got a stack here with the bottom rail of no more than 2 inches. If you're trying to do that with a faux wood blind, for example, your stack's going to be down to here, about a foot. So it's a great product, for that, if you want to have your shades up and be able to have a good view through your window. Okay, so this product and all of our products are available at bestcustomscreens.com. Thank you very much, and we're going to go to the next product. Take care.
I think I'm going to cry.